once the CAT exam is over and the results are out, the next step is the dreaded VAT and PI. I mean, I remember personally for me at that time, I was thinking CAT was much easier this process because I was very anxious about how to prepare for the interviews and the VAT or the GDs, because there is a lot of uncertainty about what to expect in these rounds. So, Suraj, can you share some preparation tips or just how to proceed in this part of the process?
Yeah, thank you, Krupam. I would definitely help the viewers to understand the basics or what are the things that are being asked from a candidate. So, WAT is basically a 25 to 30-minute process and around 300 to 500 word structured essay that has to be written on a given topic. And what is being asked from a candidate is how structural his or her thoughts are. So, the first thing is once you get a topic, you have to jot down each and every point that comes to your hand. We will obviously have second thoughts which points to be included, but we cannot run short on the number of number of points that we have to include. So I would request the candidates just to use the rough paper that they have and jot down each and every point, and later they can in detail they can understand which point they have to include and which point they have to eliminate. And after that they can use a lot of facts on the basis of the topic that they have got. The body of the essay will like somewhere or the other have the facts and the other details about the topic, and also try to give the wet a proper ending, that's a conclusion, or if a solution is being asked, you have to propose a solution. What you can do is you can read a lot of things like newspapers and all. I would suggest few of them like the Hindu and the Indian Express. So these are few of the newspapers who give like very good articles, and the students would get very detailed idea of how to approach a wet or an article or an essay. And it will also help them getting few phrases which makes it interesting for the reader to read, which helps them score better marks. They have to write a lot, obviously, and it will also help them manage their time and also the ideas that they have. As we mentioned, jot down every point. Later, you can identify which points to be included. That sums up the things for me in WET. And for PI, I understand that everybody gets butterflies in their stomach, but the thing is just hold on a Superman's position, feel that you are the superhero on that day. Try to just imagine those success stories that you have had in past and go to the interview. And the most important thing is the basic question that comes up in an interview is that please tell me about yourself. Guys, do not fumble on this question. Try to be prepared to your best so that you can answer this question without like any fumble, because this is the first time you meet somebody from the college, and it's very important that you leave an impact, and the rest of the interview will be completely guided by the way you introduce yourself. And for freshers, I would request them to be thorough with their graduation subjects and the projects that they have done. So most of the questions will be asked from those two topics. And also for the experience holder, be prepared with the projects that you have done in your organization, and also a bit of graduation subjects. Thank you.
Here I'd like to add a little bit. As Suraj said, you have to think that you're a superhero. You have to be proud of your achievements. But a word of caution here: do not sound arrogant, because because you will be interviewed by the faculty, and no one wants an arrogant student in their class. So make sure that you maintain your humility while being proud of your achievements. That's just the delicate balance that you have to maintain, and I'm sure you are good to go after following those all the tips given by Suraj sir.
Thank you. I think this sums up all the things that should be taken care of while preparing and even while you are in the process. So, lastly, I think it would be great if some of us can share our own selection experiences because we have all been through the process ourselves. So, Dipanshu, let's first begin with you.
Yeah, sure. So I remember the day when it was my VAT PI. Like it was a cold February morning, and I was nervous, especially because this was my first VAT PI compared to all other processes. And nevertheless, when I entered the campus, it was a very structured, well-mannered process. Everything was organized, and the admissions committee members were there to help us at every point and at every checkpoint of the day. I remembered I was really getting a cold feet, and I was very nervous before entering my interview panel. And one of the ADCOM members actually approached me, and he checked my profile sheet, and he reassured me that you're going to do good, like just like a friend would do at that time. And that gesture was something which brought my confidence back on the table before entering the interview. When I entered the interview, I saw a panel of 3 faculties with me, and one of them was the HOD of the department. So the stakes were really high at that time, and they started with asking me for my introduction, and I knew this thing would take the interview in the direction which I wanted to. So I made sure I had to emphasize on the topics which I was well versed with. And then there was a series of questions and cross questions on my current job at that time, just to check my technical knowledge about my domain. And then there were a few current affairs questions to check about my awareness on what is going on day to day. And then there was a why MBA question, just to know about my aspirations and my goals in my life. So after that, after all my answers in the interview, the panel seemed a bit convinced, and I was sure that I did well on that day.
Thank you, Dipanshu. So, Kunal, if you can also share your experience.
Sure. Thank you, Rupam. Well, as Dipanshu said, it was right in February 2019. When I came to the campus, I was really, happy about how the things are set up, really well organized. The campus is huge, lush green. I was really happy about it. And once I came into the department, the procedures were very well structured, as Dipanshu said. And everything was really well guided. The stages that we went to were starting with the VAT process. Then we went for the extracurricular verification and the points that were to be given. All the certificates were scanned by the seniors and faculties. Post that, we proceeded for the PI. While appearing for the VAT, yes, they give you half an hour. Based on my experience, that try and jot down the points as much as you can. Be really confident about yourself, but what you really want to maintain is the flow of your thoughts. They really need to be connected and not scattered here and there. The pretty much simple. Make sure that you have all the documents at your hand, and even if you don't, they really help you out in managing the things. Coming to the PI process, I generally, as a person, I'm very confident about personal interviews, but this process was such that they really tested the person as to what kind of a personality he is or she is, what are the interests of the person, what is the person really into as hobbies and likes or dislikes. They really scan you through as a whole. My interview was last in the day. It started somewhere at 6:30 p.m. and went on for about 45 minutes, 1 hour. There were 3 panelists. I know now that one of them was a senior faculty member at DMS and another 2 were guest faculties. I have a work experience of 24 months. So they really try and test up your knowledge about not only the business domain that you are into, but also the company and the industry and the current affairs as a whole. So yeah, reading is important. Being confident is much more important. Be humble, be polite, and you can really make it through. But yes, to conclude with, I would say that I've appeared for a lot of CAP rounds. I appeared for other processes as well, as we all would, and even you guys would. But this process was something that was really very interesting. The best, I would say, the most enjoyable too. After the end, I was pretty much sure that I'll make it through.
So thank you, everybody. So this was all related to the different stages of the admission process being followed here at DMS. We hope our experiences will be able to help you and hopefully lower down those anxiety levels so that you can go ahead and perform your best. Hope to see you at DMS next year. All the best.